From you, personal?
Yes.
Oh,
And I
shit.
bought some homemade. Let me give you a good batch.
What?
These
Oh, you got a bad
chocolate
batch in there?
chips in the middle. If you go home and warm it in the microwave and put some vanilla ice cream on
Yeah.
top. And
Put
then
some
I
vanilla.
bought you a candy cane.
What? Candy cane too, peppermint?
You want 2 peppermints?
Nah, that's all I need is one. My breath.
And here is my Christmas card. You can put
Okay.
right underneath your
Yeah, put your
tree.
name in there.
I'm putting Eason,
Yeah, Eason and
Deborah,
yeah, Deborah.
and
Uh-huh.
our son Drew.
Yeah, where Drew at?
He's home. I don't want him working till we get the plexiglass up.
Okay.
Sorry, guys.
She for real
Gotta
about
have
that corona.
plexiglass. Me?
Yeah.
I know. Well, I had it.
Oh, you had the corona?
Me, Eason, and Drew all had it.
Oh, y'all was
Horrible.
it was horrible. What was your symptoms?
Um,
Stuffy nose?
Homemade brownies. Nope. I ran fever for 10 days.
What?
So when we closed down,
Oh, that was you.
it was me and Eason.
Golly.
We were very sick.
We was wondering what was the problem. Wouldn't nobody tell us.
We were private
I
about
sure
it, but
thank you, miss.
We're healed. God healed us.
Yeah, God
But
did. He did his
for
thing.
14 days, I couldn't wear clothes.
What?
For 14 days, I could not wear clothes because my fever was so high. I had to keep rags all over my body. I
What?
put my son in a different part of the house. Easton stayed in his bedroom, and I stayed on the couch.
What?
And it came in cycles and waves. And after I got well, 7 days later, Easton got it.
Dang.
For about 14 days, so then I had to take care of him. But you've got to drink your fluids.
Yeah. What you was drinking?
I would have to take. I take Epsom salt baths.
You all about to say you were drinking this?
Gatorade.
Yeah, Gatorade. Okay.
Pedialyte.
Pedialyte.
Better.
Uh-huh.
And we were doing our fluids, and then I'm a part of an amazing godly group with women because I homeschool.
Oh, you do?
And they brought us meals every day for 2 weeks. I had
What?
meals delivered to my home because we were so sick I couldn't even cook. I mean, it was horrible. I can't even tell you. By the grace of God, we didn't get pneumonia,
Yeah.
but we were on top of it. So, if I can give anybody advice, as soon as you get a symptom, you go to your doctor, get you an antibiotic. As soon as you get a symptom.
Ready.
Now, when we got a symptom, we were immediately at the doctor.
Yeah.
We just went to a carry-in place for our house,
Uh-huh.
and we got antibiotics, so we got on top of it before
Yeah.
it ever got to
And it, so when y'all got on top of it, you looking at a minimum 2 weeks?
Some people are only 4 days, and they hardly even get sick, but we were sick, and you got to get one of these.
What you got?
This is a pulse thing. So
Oh,
you
okay.
gotta check your pulse. Like I was checking mine every 2 hours. And you turn this on, and this top number is gonna say what your O2 is.
Yeah, and that O2 matter.
Look, I'm
Yeah.
98.
Is that good?
Yes, 98
Okay.
to 100%. 95 is good. 94 is getting low.
Okay. You want to check mine, miss?
These
Check
things
mine.
got down to
Check mine real
92.
quick, miss. Check mine. Let me see
This
something.
thing got down to 92.87, and I made him get up.
But let me
I
see
said,
what
"You gotta
mine
get
is."
up and you gotta walk.
Yeah,
And
did
I
he
got
walk?
him up to walk. And
Yeah.
then it fixed his O2, but you.
Oh,
can't
okay.
miss
His
it.
O2 sensor.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm
The
ready.
The other number you saw is your.
So what is O2 sensor? Okay, I'm
And
ready.
it's gotta be.
What I need?
Yeah, this is fine.
Here,
You
let
don't-
me
you
put
don't
let me
wanna
put
do
my
it-
box down. Let me
You
put
don't
my
do the
let me put my
side-
box.
Don't ever do the side of your heart because it's not accurate. You do the
Other opposite side of the heart.
That's right.
Okay, I think.
And then yes, I do. And so I'm gonna have to disinfect that now once we're
Yeah,
done.
you gotta disinfect it, man, because I've been touching
You gotta quit
everything.
talking. Okay, you are.
I got a
You're 96.
I got a 96.
Start breathing.
Out my nose and
Now they say when you put it on, leave it on for about a few minutes, seconds to get accurate.
oh, it's gonna still reading.
You're 96.
Yeah.
You don't want that to get below 95.
What? I'm at the borderline messing with you, miss.
Quit talking.
Okay.
No, but if your fingers wet.
Oh yeah, it's probably what it is, miss. I've been it probably wet. Yeah, dry it off. Okay.
Okay, now let's get this in here.
Yeah, let's try it one more time.
He's got a regular. Just don't talk. Told you.
Yeah, I got a 90. I told you my fan.
69. Look at that.
Is that good?
Yeah, 69 pulse.
Oh, my heart rate. Yeah, they said the
70.
yeah.
It just went up to 97.
Yeah.
It's good. So if you get a weird reading, just make sure everything is. Oh, yeah, you just push the fluid.
Okay.
Did I give you your?
Yeah, I got all my cookies, man. I'm finna go. Me too. I gotta get to work too, miss. I'm finna enjoy, man. I sure appreciate it. Already, he did. I sure appreciate it. Hey, y'all, they cleaned up the track, y'all. Let me go put all my good. Dang, that taco line on. Let me go put all my gifts up, y'all. Yeah, they got an oil spill. Somebody knocked the dry shaft out there. How much them hoodies, man? 30. They going for the little 30 piece. Oh, you know what? I might be have it. I wonder if I got it. I don't think so though. Off the chain. Lookout Chronicles, a little short. Meet me at Summit tomorrow. I'll buy one. I'll meet you out there, man. I probably ain't got nothing else to do. Let me see. This man is a distribution warehouse. Is that about I gonna tell her that? Boy, y'all is crazy. Matthew Pounds talking about where the racing at. Bro got that video. What video? Ted's got the Rona. Damn that line. Oh, let me try to sell this extra this 2X hoodie in a medium. I forgot who that was. Need a medium. Ooh, I'm for tacos now. My stomach. You just said it. Let it eat. What's going on? Look out, y'all. Y'all know I got them Lookout Racing hoodies going for sale, man. Y'all on my YouTube channel? Lookout Racing, man. I wish I had my card. Lookout Racing at my YouTube channel. I be live all the time. Got cars. I be racing out here. This your first time? You be out here? What you driving? You be racing? What kind of car you got? You seen the supercharged police car, the Caprice? That's me. That's me. Yeah.